back to my channel. So today is going to be another review. As you guys know, I've been doing a lot of reviews on this channel. I did one on the CoverGirl foundation, which I love. And today we're going to be reviewing, of course, another drugstore product. This just came out, I think it was about a few months ago. I don't remember the exact date, but I do know it's really, really new. And I told myself I gotta get my hands on it. It's very affordable and you're gonna want to keep on watching. You guys can tell by the title what it is, but you're gonna want to keep on watching. So this is the new e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. It looks like this. There we go. It looks just like this. This is a new concealer. I'm going to look it up right now and just give you some information about it. I'm now on the e.l.f. website. I will leave the information to buy the concealer down below. So I got in the shade light peach. Pretty sure this is my color. So this concealer is $5. So that is amazing for a concealer. Concealers can range from like $5 to $10 depending on what brand you buy. Sometimes a little more if you're buying a more high-end. Okay. So this is a full covered 16-hour wear concealer featuring a large dose applicator to conceal, correct, contour, and highlight for flawless skin. The highly pigmented formula is lightweight, dry matte, and won't settle into fine lines or creases, ideal for all skin types. So I have very dry, sensitive skin, and I definitely say it works for my skin type. In case you're wondering what type of skin type I am showing you today. And yeah, so it says it leaves up behind a matte finish and it's cruelty free. So in case you're wondering, if you like cruelty free products like myself, I am very big on it. So I will leave what I just read down below in case you want to read it yourself and buy it on the website. Also available in Ulta, which is where I bought it, CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid, probably like Walmart, Target, all the basic department stores and drugstores that you can think of. This is where you can find it because I know myself and a lot of you guys looking for more of a cheaper option for concealers and products. So that is the little introduction about the concealer. Now I'm going to go on and show you about it and putting it on my face. Okay, so we're going to use a brush to put it on today, just for the sake of it. Normally use a beauty blender, but we're going to use a brush. This is a Luxie brush, 660 Precision foundation brush. So we have concealer, it will work perfectly fine. So we're just going to open it. This is what it looks like. It is a very big applicator versus like other concealers that are very smaller. I'm still figuring this concealer out, so I'm just gonna put it on. I got a mirror right here, and I'm just gonna put it on like one side so you guys can just see. And I'm not gonna use a lot because with concealers like this, you don't want to put a lot on because they just give you already a lot, and this gives you like a good amount in this bottle. It's $5. Okay, so we're just gonna do that. We're just putting it under our eye for the sake of the video. So this is what it looks like on. It is very thick, as you guys can see. It's starting to dry a little, so I'm gonna have to blend it in right now with the brush. But it is very thick, and a little bit goes a long way. So we're just gonna have that in this work. Okay, this concealer kind of goes all over the place. You have to be very like careful. Mirror right here, as you guys know, this is where I do my makeup. And for the sake of the video, I thought it'd be. Anyway, so I want to show you guys where I wear it. So this side, you have it on. You see, it definitely is brightening the face, which is definitely good for a concealer. this side, we got no concealer on. So this side concealer, no concealer. Okay, so my final review of this concealer. It is a very coverage concealer. As I say, it definitely lasts pretty much all day. I'm going to be wearing it today. I'm going to put it on this side later on after this. But it's definitely a full coverage concealer. I definitely recommend it if you're on a budget. This is only $5. And e.l.f. is such a great brand. I love their products so much. So I really recommend this concealer. It does dry quickly, so you really have to blend it in right away. And it kind of goes a little all over. So you gotta be very, very careful of how much you put on. But aside that, I really do recommend it. I'm definitely gonna keep wearing it, keep trying it, because I really like it. And I'm a big fan of drugstore makeup. You guys have figured that out already. I love drugstore makeup. And yeah, this is my review of the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I recommend it. Again, I will leave the link to go purchase it down below from the e.l.f. website. No, I'm not sponsored, but I just like to state my opinion, and I like to review products, and I buy them myself, because that's what you gotta do sometimes. You gotta buy things yourself, so eventually you do get sponsored and packages and all that stuff. I'm gonna stop rambling, so yeah. So hope you guys like this video. If you guys give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more product reviews like this, and yeah, so I will see you guys in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!